Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text size on your Ecobee thermostat. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the text size. Maybe the text size is too small. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto your Ecobee thermostat, then click on the three lines, then click on the settings option right over here, and scroll down. And then go ahead and click on where it says Preferences. Now underneath Preferences, you can change the temperature display, the device name, or the text size, so the standby screen text size. So go ahead and click on that, and there you have it. You can change it from default to larger or larger to default. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the text size on your Ecobee thermostat. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.